Now, if you love the idea of starting your own clothing brand, selling clothes on the internet, but you also don't want to go through the risk of having to buy a ton of inventory in bulk, then I've got just the thing for you. Because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a super simple strategy that you can use and that I personally use to sell products online without the need to buy a ton of inventory in bulk. As you already know, buying inventory is one of the most risky aspects of starting your own clothing brand. And without the assurance that it's actually going to sell, and when you're just getting started, there's no guarantee that you are going to make money or you are going to sell out on all your inventory. Think about the large brands out there, right? They're constantly doing clearances, they're constantly running sales. Why? Because you just can never sell out of inventory, and it's becoming more and more competitive now in the online space trying to sell clothing, especially because there's a lot of brands out there. I'm talking the Chinese brands, I'm talking your Sheins, right? The AliExpress. Let's not even get to Temu, guys. They are literally eating up the e-commerce space right now. So when you're just getting started as a complete newbie, trying to sell products online, be it clothing or whatever you're trying to sell, it can be very difficult to stand out from the crowd, especially if you're trying to sell the exact same products as everybody else, right? So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very simple strategy that you can use to sell your own unique designs, okay? I'm talking about unique designs like the one I'm currently wearing right now. So this is a product I currently sell in my own store, for example. This is exactly what you can also do in your brand as well. You can actually start your own clothing brand where you sell your own unique designs. It's a great way to stand out from the crowd, a great way to beat competition, and a great way to actually penetrate the market and get some amazing results. And the beauty about this strategy, guys, is the fact that you can also sell your designs on not only clothing, you can also sell your designs on things like mugs, tumblers. As you can see, these are all products that I'm able to sell my own unique designs on in my store. The beauty about the strategy is the fact that you don't have to buy no equipment or no, circuit, I don't know what they're called, the circuit printing machines where you actually get to print and stamp all the graphics on the products yourself. You don't have to do none of that, guys, with this strategy. You can just find a vendor and then partner up with that vendor. They already have the machine, they have the warehouse, they have the blank inventory, the canvas, the templates, and then you're basically just sending over your designs to those companies, right? You send your graphic designs to those companies, they put them on your hoodies, your merch, and then every time a customer buys from you, these vendors ship those products directly to your customers. So the strategy I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is none other than the print-on-demand dropshipping business model. Let's talk about how you can get started with the strategy, guys. So the first thing that you need to do, of course, is you need to pick a niche. When I talk about a niche, I'm not talking about, okay, I'm gonna sell women's clothing. Women's clothing is not a niche, right? Think about it, right? When you think about women, there's different types of women out here who have different likes, dislikes, interests, passions, and things of that nature. So when you're thinking about a woman, there's different types of women. Are you talking to a mom? Are you talking to a professional woman, corporate women, business women, stay-at-home moms, cat moms, right? Dog moms, like, what type of woman are you targeting? You need to be very specific on who this person is. Be clear on your avatar. What do they like? What do they dislike? How do they potentially spend their everyday life? And that woman could actually be you, right? So think about yourself. So I'm a mom, for example. So of course, I went ahead and I started a mom's clothing brand. So my designs are always going to be motherhood related kind of designs. As you can see, this is mama, but with like a nice kind of floral thing going on here as well. And the beauty about this strategy, guys, is the fact that you can test out as many niches as possible, see what works, and then stick to it and, bank on it, right? So once you've picked a niche, the next thing you want to do, of course, is you need to create your designs. Your designs are essentially what people are going to be buying, right? That's what is going to differentiate you from everybody else, because why would they go and buy a hoodie on Amazon or Shein versus your brand? It's going to be down to your designs and what it looks like and how catchy it looks. If you have a boring design, guys, nobody is going to buy it. And your designs are also going to determine how much you can charge for your product. So a high quality design, for example, is going to command a high price, whereas a low quality design, guys, is obviously going to command a low price. So if you're someone who isn't very skilled in graphic design like myself, I would strongly recommend, again, trying to create your own designs. Now, if you are good at design, guys, you can use platforms like canva.com. It's a free platform. You can use that to create your own unique designs. Only if you're good at designs, okay? If you're not good at designing, guys, I would strongly recommend, again, trying to create your own designs, because I tried that myself when I started. Like, I have some boring designs that I previously created myself, right? Because I was just kind of getting started with this thing, and I didn't get much result from it. Even I knew that the designs didn't look great. So you can outsource your graphic designs to people on Fiverr.com, right? There's a lot of people out there that can actually create your designs for you. You just tell them what you want, give them an idea in terms of your niche and things of that nature, and a professional graphic designer is going to create a bunch of designs for you, your own unique designs, guys. This is an investment. Think about it. It's an investment that could potentially, you know, blow up for you, okay? Another alternative, guys, if you don't want to go out there, because it can get pretty expensive paying someone to create every single design for you, another alternative is to use a platform called Creative Fabrica. That's a platform I personally use, guys. That's a platform I source, you know, beautiful designs like this one. The platform is obviously not overly saturated, so it's a ton, guys. There's hundreds of thousands of graphic designs that have already been created for you that you can just go there, pick a design of your choice, guys. These are copyright free designs. You do need to have a membership, of course, to be able to use this platform and gain access to all those ready-made designs. You can just do a search, guys, on a design in a niche of your choice. If you wanted to search something around yoga, you are going to find a ton of like yoga designs that have already been created by professionals, okay? And you can just select what designs pick your interest, and then you can use those files, right, and then add them to things like hoodies, sweatshirts, which is what I'm going to be talking about in step 3. So make sure you get your designs out there, guys. If you're great at design, you can check out Canva. You can outsource it to Fiverr.com as well, or you can just use Creative Fabrica to source ready-made designs. Really, really simple way to get started, and you can get started for less than $5 a month. I will leave a link below this video for those of you guys who want to check out Creative Fabrica. Now you have your designs ready to go. You will need a vendor that can actually fulfill your order and ship those orders out to your customers. So now you have a design, you need to connect that design onto a blank template. So this hoodie, for example, was a blank template, and then I got my designs from Creative Fabrica and I added it to the hoodie, and now I've got my own designs that I'm currently selling on my website. So you need to find a vendor, right? And the vendor that I personally use is Printful. Again, I'll leave a link below this video, guys. It's a free platform that you can join for free, absolutely free. I'll leave a link below this video. You can check out Printful. I strongly recommend them. I've been using them for years now, and I cannot think of a better platform to use. Now, there's other platforms there that you can also check out, such as Printify. That's another big one that you can check out as well. I think there's Redbubble. There's quite a few, you know, print-on-demand dropshipping companies out there that you can check out. But I strongly recommend Printful because that's the only platform that I personally use. So I can't really speak much for other platforms out there, but it's just to give you guys the options in case you wanted to explore your creativity. So once you find a vendor, right, I'm going to be talking about Printful, of course, in this case. So you go to the Printful website, you add your designs, right? You're going to find a lot of different templates. I'm talking anywhere from women's clothing, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, hats, beanies, bags, totes, like so many different products that you can now add that one design to, guys. Like, it's just beautiful, right? You can have a whole collection of your own unique designs on so many different products. I'm targeting a specific niche, of course, which is just beautiful without buying any inventory. Did I say that already? Yeah, probably did. So just want to go to the Printful website, and then you can just, there's going to be a section to, you know, select product templates, and then you can then go ahead and add your designs to those templates, guys. And then once you're done creating your designs on Printful, guys, you will need a platform to actually sell those designs. So Printful is a supplier. They're basically a supplier, they're a vendor. So they offer you the products, the designs, but you do need to have your own store where you're going to be selling those products, okay? Which takes me to the next step. You need a website, or at least a third-party platform that you are going to be using to sell those designs. Now, when it comes to selling your print-on-demand products, I strongly recommend that you get a website. So I personally use Shopify. Again, I will leave a link below this video. You can get started with Shopify for just $1 at the time of recording this video. And with Shopify, guys, I love Shopify because you can easily integrate your Shopify store with your Printful account. So they already have the integrations there. It's literally a click of a button to connect your website to the Printful platform. So every time you upload your new designs on Printful, okay, it automatically integrates those designs to your Shopify store. So Shopify is essentially going to be the e-commerce platform where your customers are going to be paying you for those products. So when they come to your website, they pay you for the product. Printful automatically gets a notification to ship those products directly to your customers whilst you keep your profit. So let's say Printful was selling this hoodie, for example, for $12, right, as an example. Then what I can sell this hoodie for on my website is, you know, $30, right? So if a customer came to my website and they purchased this hoodie for $30, guess what? I get to keep the difference. The $18 is my profit. I only pay Printful $12. And the best part is I only have to pay Printful after my customer has paid the money to me. So I'm literally using my customer's money to pay my vendor, which is just the most beautiful thing ever, guys. And if I don't make any sales, I don't have to pay Printful nothing. Okay, you don't have to pay them no money if nothing has sold. They only charge you after you've actually made a sale. So they get the notification, they get their cut out of your payment, and then of course they ship the products out directly to your customers whilst you sit back and sip on some margaritas and watch that money flow in your bank account. So of course, you know, there's other platforms that you can use to sell your products, such as Etsy. Etsy is another big print-on-demand dropshipping platform that you can use. I actually did a video some months back just talking about Etsy dropshipping. You guys check out that video. I'll link it somewhere, you know, below this video or somewhere on the screen. I go more in depth with regards to how you can actually sell your print on demand dropshipping designs on Etsy. Okay, so that's not the platform you guys can check out for free, but I do recommend having your own platform, your own website, such as Shopify, because it's easier for you. Actually, you have full control, 100% control. There's no Etsy policies stopping you from, you know, selling what you want to sell, and you can run ads to scale much faster, guys, because you own the platform. You can build your email list, you can build your funnels, like literally have access to all your customers' data, which is what every business owner needs, right? So now you have your products ready for sale, you have everything integrated with Printful. What happens next? Of course, you need to market your business, guys. You can't just set it up and forget it and hope that you're going to make some money. You need to go out there and start promoting your business. You cannot rely on just the traffic coming to Etsy or just having a Shopify store, just, you know, out there on the internet and hoping that someone eventually finds your products. And there's different ways that, you know, you can market your business. The first strategy I recommend, of course, is search engine optimization. So it basically means that you need to be using keywords that people are searching for around your niche or around the products that you're selling. So if you're selling like a yoga hoodie, for example, you want to make sure that you have keywords such as yoga listed on your keywords, on the titles, the description, and make sure you also have like your target audience listed there as well. So if you're targeting moms who love yoga, then you kind of want to be putting keywords like, you know, yoga for moms and things of that nature, so you can attract a mom who already has an interest in yoga. So when you start doing that, guys, you are going to be getting free organic traffic to your listings, be it on your Shopify store or your Etsy store. And you can also use social media, guys, to market your business. You can use Facebook, Instagram, you can use TikTok, you can also use influencers, you know, so you can collaborate with influencers out there in your niche. That's one thing I also do with my brand. I collaborate with a lot of mom influencers. I send them some of my merch, and they, you know, they create content. They use that to create content, and then I use that content on my social media platforms to market my business. It's a really powerful way, and this has actually been the, you know, the most profitable marketing strategy for me. I'm just getting all these moms to try out my products, do reviews, and send, you know, the reviews over to me, and then I get to use that to market my brand. It's a super powerful strategy, because you're essentially using people who look like the exact target audience that you're trying to sell to. And when you have people like that hyping about your brand, guys, there's no better way to make money selling those products. Okay, of course I do use Facebook ads to kind of retarget my warm audience, because I already have an audience of, you know, thousands of people who are visiting my website every single day. They follow me on social media, so I have enough data to run retargeting ads as well, which is just another great way to kind of have, you know, that traffic coming in on autopilot without having to do the extra bits, you know, and pieces. So you don't have to be posting every day on social media, but you can still have, you know, that money coming into your business from just retargeting your existing traffic. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you're looking for even more in-depth strategies to help you start your own clothing brand, actually I'm running a 30-day challenge right now, a 30-day clothing brand challenge, where every single day I'm going to be helping you guys with everything that you need to launch your own clothing brand in 30 days or less. So 30 days from today, you could have your own clothing brand, guys, similar to what I have right now. You know, running on autopilot, all the automation setup, all the integration setup, and all the marketing strategies are going to be spilled out in this 30-day training session as well. Because starting a business is great, but if you have no idea how to market your business, then is there really any point starting that business in the first place? So with a 30-day challenge, guys, you gain access to everything. I'm talking from step one. I teach you how to come up with the right idea, not just any idea, a profitable idea that, you know, is scalable in the future and can continue to make you money beyond just selling clothes. Okay, that's why we're talking about starting a brand. Not again, guys, this challenge is not only for print on demand. We also teach you how to scale your business beyond selling print on demand products. So I'm talking things like digital products. You can even drop ship other products out there. So for example, what I do is I sell these hoodies, but I also have things like leggings and bottoms that I actually drop ship from other vendors. Okay, so not everything is print on demand, but print on demand is the core of actually building that brand. And then you can go on and scale and sell other things. I even have a whole mom devotional book, guys. So I also sell digital products within my brand, just speaking to the exact same audience. That's the beauty about this strategy. You can scale your business to as many directions as you please, and you can sell an unlimited number of products as you please moving forward. So you guys want to find out more about the 30-day clothing brand challenge, I will leave a link below this video. Be sure to check it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know below this video if you're going to be trying the strategy out. And if you love content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification button, guys, and I'll see you guys next week for another new video. Bye.